Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited. SQL Server Database Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Question number 40. How to find first and last day of current month and difference between two dates in years, months and days. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to find first and last day of the current month and difference between two dates in years, months and days. First we will see first and last day of the current month, and we can use EO month function and date add functions. First we will see first day of the current month. Select date add, month, date difference, month 0, get date, comma 0 as first day of the month. This will be the query to display the first day of the current month, and last day of the current month, the query is select e month, get date as last day of the month. This will give the first day of the month and last day of the month in this way. And second scenario would be difference between two dates in years, months and days. There is two methods that we can achieve this. First method is using date diff function. Select employee ID, name, join date, current date and date difference function with year, joining date, current date as difference in years. In the same way we can have for months and days from employees table. Note here date diff function, that is year, just subtract years numerically, not exact anniversary difference, something like this. To get the exact years, months and day breakdown, we have a separate method, that is this is the query that we are going to break it down. Select employee ID, name, joining date, current date, date difference, year, joining date and current date, and here is a case statement, that is the important one. Here we are minusing with case when date add, year, date difference, year, joining date and current date, comma joining date is greater than current date, then 1, else 0, end as years. In the same way we are going to do it for the month and we are going to do it for the day. In this way we are going to get the breakdown for the year, month and the day. Coming to the summary of these things, first day of the month we can use date add function to get, and last day of the month EO month function we can achieve this, and differences in years, months and days use date diff function for quick calculations or anniversary logic for exact breakdown. Let's see these things practically in SSMS. We are in SSMS, that is called SQL Server Management Studio, and we are at demo at GKey database. First we will go step by step. In the first scenario we are going to see the first day of current month. This is the query for that. Let's execute this query. Here this is the first day of the month. We are in the month of 9th and the day 7 and 2025. The first day of this 9th month, that is September, is 01st. That has been displayed. Let's see how it has worked internally. Here date diff, month 0 and get date. 0 is treated as the starting year in the SQL Server database. SQL Server database the day starts with 1900 January 01 in the SQL Server database. This calculates how many whole months exist between this date and today. Date diff months means from beginning of this 1900 months to till date, that is get date, we will be having 1513 months, and 0 is again we are adding these months to the starting date, that is that 1900. This gives the first day of the current one. In this way we have to calculate the first day of the month by using this date add function. Coming to the last day of the current month, there is a direct function, that is EO month get date. Get date is the current date that will display. From the current date, end of the day, we are going to get by acquiring this statement. Let's execute this. This is the end of the month, that is in September 30 is the last date. Thus coming to the next scenario, that is difference between two dates in years, months and days. There is a sample data. We are creating a table called employee with employee ID, name, joining date and current date, and we are inserting these three records into the table. Let's execute this one. 3 rows have been inserted Let's see the first scenario using the date different function to get all these functionalities. Like here we got employee ID, employee name, joining date, current date, difference in years from the joining date to the current date. There is a difference, 7 years difference for John and 88 months difference and 2671 days difference. In such a way we can get the difference between years, months and days. And to get the exact years, months and days breakdown, there is a query here. The same way we are selecting these columns and coming to this functionality, it is going to give the exact years. Here date, we are using date difference, year, joining date and current date, and we are minusing with the case statement when date add year, date difference year, joining date and current date as joining date is greater than current date, then it is 1, else 0. It is going to minus with 0 or 1 to get the exact years. In the same way we will do for the month, in the same way we are going to do for the day. Let's execute this query. Let's see the output. See, here we got the exact difference between the joining date and the current date. Years are 7 years and months are 3 months and days are 22 days. In this way we can have exact breakdown of years, months and days from the current date, from the joining date to the current date. For the practical purposes, I have put this scripts in video description part. You can download and use it. Thank you. Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.